Run DMT, Denise of Run DMT, and it's time for another exhaustion test. And alright, if I could just be honest with y'all, I kind of did not do day 3 to the fullest. Yeah, so let me just pile on some excuses for you. See, I had this Tampa Bay Blogger thing going on, and just crazy week. Had to get my hair done, which is important, you know, looking good and feeling good, very important. Had to get my hair done, had to get all this stuff done. Anyway, so for the Tampa Bay Blogger, I would work on the agenda, do a set of push-ups. And I'd, you know, print out the agenda, do a set of push-ups, you know, take a shower, do a set of push-ups. Well, I kept doing all that, and then yeah, there was no more time for any more push-ups. So I didn't do the last 2 sets. So I didn't do the last set of 24 and I didn't do the last set of 50. So, yeah, I'm not sure how the exhaustion test is going to go. Also, Pinky swore that I was going to do the exhaustion test on Sunday. Well, yeah, excuse number 2, completely exhausted on Sunday. I didn't run, I didn't do anything. I stayed in my pajamas all day, I swear. I didn't even clean the house. You can ask my husband, because he did it all. So, yeah. So then I said, okay, I'm going to do the exhaustion test on Monday. Well, then Monday was Purple Day, and I had to paint my toes. Hello? That's important. Yeah, nice. Sorry, give a little view there. I apologize for that. Had to paint the toes. Not crucial for Purple Day. Hello? So, then my sister-in-law Kirsten was here. I've gone bananas. And my niece was here, and we were baking and cooking and doing all this stuff to get ready for Purple Day. Had to go shop at Target. Hello? That's part of the Purple Day tradition for us. And so, before you know it, no time for exhaustion test. Yeah, excuse number 2. No, 3. It's 3 excuses so far. So, yeah. So basically, I'm a slacker mother runner, as I like to call myself. So, here we go. Today is Tuesday, and I'm going to do this exhaustion test, and which is Sunday, Monday, 2 days late. So we'll see. 2 days of rest might be good, though. Yeah, that's what I told myself. Yep. Let me make sure my goods ain't showing again. All right. Here we go. Oh, and by the way, one more thing. I had to wait for little Lion Man to go down to do my exhaustion test, because if I didn't, yeah, he'd be doing the push-ups and pulling my hair and all that stuff. So, yeah. All right. Quiet house, clean house, and push-ups. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, getting tough, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, that's it. I can't do anymore. Alright, so I'm only 4 more from last week's exhaustion test. So I've made 4 push-up progress. Yeah, I don't know. I guess, so the question is, do I go back and redo week 5, or do I carry on and do week 6? So let me know what you think, because I'm really curious. And winded and out of breath and sore arms, sore arms. And I keep getting this like knot in my neck, and I think it's computer related. It could be push-up related, but I think my push-ups are pretty good form, so I don't know. So let me know what you think about that. But yeah, it's like right in the base of my neck. I think it's because like when I'm on the computer, I'm in this weird position because it seems like even on days that I'm resting, I get this weird pain. So I don't know. Anyway, yeah, and I'm still doing the girly push-ups. Don't judge. I haven't even tried to do a manly push-up because I'm so scared that I'm going to fall on my face. Because I can't do them at all, I promise you. So I think what I'm going to do is when I'm all done with the push-up challenge, I think I'm going to try and rock out some manly push-ups and see how I do, because I'm kind of curious to see if I can do, everyone keeps telling me, oh, if you're doing that many alternate push-ups, you'll be able to do at least 10 manly ones. Yeah, well, I don't want to disappoint anyone, including myself, so I think I'll save it to the end just to see how my progress is. So, anyway, that's it. 50 alternate push-ups. Let's see how you're doing. Come on, y'all. Get vlogging, get linking up. And I'll see you soon, okay? Take care.